What you want, my Oga? Calm down. Come on, Oga, what you want, my? I will see you when I get there. You are winning. I need building materials. Oh dear, that's what we are selling here. Oh, that's what I need. Oh, now I'll be honest.
So this boy are like this, selling fake things for me. Oh. What I bought with a lot of money. I will arrest them. What the fuck? For me.
Yeah. They come now. They come. You don't reach there. Okay.
Those boys are stupid.
Yeah. I tell you, say now them be the baba for everything building material and plumbing.
Are rubbish.
Yes, I they come there now. I carry you go there. Yes, I they come now.
Arrest them.
I they come. Okay, I go call you back. Wait. It's like I know this man. Man, go meet him.
I'm going to arrest them. Let me call the PO.
Okay.
How are you? Are you not one of them that sell fake things for me?
No. I don't follow at all. We know they sell fake. Say be that they call you, may come buy from us, but you know agree.
What they said to me is rubbish.
What happened?
It's rubbish. All of them have spoiled.
Sorry. Now that thing I tell you.
I wanted to come there to arrest them. I'm calling the DPO right now.
I tell you where you go. You go. They comfortable with building material things. Eh?
Yes.
Now blessed Onoz Global Ventures. Now them be baba for anything wey concerning building materials.
Okay.
Because as I dey tell you now, customers they call me. Now there I be they go before I see you because I remember your face last month when you come market, Abi.
Yes.
Yes. I remember your face. So if you go there, now there you go buy plenty better things where they use the build house, such as brass, wall ties, WC. You know WC now?
Yes.
That will not be that kind of one where you come by the other day. Wall ties and all these things, floor ties, washing hand basin. Now then be baba for all these things what I call for you now.
So how can I locate them?
Yes, now good question you ask. So I will tell you the address now. Top B1/10, Oshimili North, Ultra Modern Market, Opanam Delta State. So make it rush now. Make you go enjoy better thing as I dey tell you so.
Okay. Yeah. Can you take me there?
Now there they go now. Customers they wait for me.
Let's
now.
go.
Take you there already. No time.
Thank you.